Air fryers have taken the kitchen world by storm, and in 2025 they are better than ever. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option, a multifunctional powerhouse, or the absolute best crispy results, we've got you covered. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best air fryers of 2025, comparing them feature by feature so you can make the best choice for your kitchen. Stick around for our final verdict, where we'll reveal our top pick based on power, versatility, and value for money. Also, don't forget that all links to the air fryers are in the description below. All right, before we dive into the feature by feature breakdown, let's introduce our top 5 air fryers of 2025 and highlight what makes each one special. First up, the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. This is quite powerful, user-friendly, and delivers some of the crispiest food you'll ever make. Plus, at around $69 on Walmart, it's an absolute steal. Next, the Ninja Fubi Dual Zone Air Fryer. If you love cooking big meals or multiple foods at once, this dual basket air fryer is a game changer. It's got tons of power, but it's also the biggest on our list and takes up extra counter space. Then we have the Instant Pot Dual Crisp, not just an air fryer, but also a pressure cooker, slow cooker, and more. If you want one appliance that does it all, this one's for you. Just keep in mind, the air frying basket is smaller than traditional models. Now for those who need a full countertop oven replacement, there's the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. This one air fries, bakes, toasts, and roasts. It's sleek, versatile, and high-powered, but comes at a premium price. And finally, the budget-friendly Cosori Light 4-quart air fryer. It's compact, stylish, and comes with a super easy-to-use control panel. Perfect for small kitchens, though it's not quite as powerful as the Ninja models. Now that we've met our contenders, let's break them down feature by feature and see which one truly stands out. First up, let's talk about build quality and design. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer has a sleek, sturdy design and a user-friendly control panel. But that shiny plastic finish? Yep, it's a fingerprint magnet. The Ninja Fubi Dual Zone is a beast, built tough and designed for big meals. The dual basket system is great, but this thing takes up serious counter space. Instant Pot Dual Crisp is a multifunctional machine. It's not just an air fryer, but also a pressure cooker. It's solid but heavier than solo air fryers. Breville Smart Oven Air is premium looking with a stainless steel finish. It doubles as a toaster oven, making it more versatile but bulkier. Cosori Light 4-quart is modern and compact, with a sleek LED control panel that's easy to use. It's perfect for smaller kitchens. The winner for design is the Breville Smart Oven Air. It's the most premium and capable looking air fryer. Now let's talk about what really matters, how well these air fryers actually cook. The Ninja 4-quart air fryer runs hotter than most and delivers super crispy chicken wings. The Ninja Dual Zone has dual cooking baskets, so you can air fry wings on one side and veggies on the other. Instant Pot Dual Crisp is fantastic for pressure cooking and air frying, but the air fryer basket is small, so you'll need to cook in batches. Breville Smart Oven Air takes a bit longer to crisp food because of its large cooking chamber, but it doubles as a full oven. Cosori Light has a preheat function that speeds things up, and it cooks evenly, but isn't as powerful as the Ninja models. The winner for cooking performance is the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. It delivers the crispiest food, fast. Nobody wants an air fryer that's a pain to clean. Here's how these stack up. The Ninja 4-quart and Cosori Light both have simple digital controls and removable, non-stick baskets. Super easy to clean. The Ninja Dual Zone lets you cook 2 things at once, but cleaning 2 baskets means extra work. The Instant Pot Dual Crisp has a steel air fryer basket, which requires more scrubbing. Breville Smart Oven Air is the hardest to clean because of its large interior and multiple cooking modes. The winner for ease of use and cleaning is the Cosori Light 4-quart. Simple, intuitive, and easy to clean. All right, before we talk about price and value, let's do a quick rundown of the pros and cons of each air fryer so you can see their strengths and weaknesses at a glance. Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Its pros are powerful heating for extra crispy results, sturdy build and compact size, simple, intuitive controls. Its cons are shiny plastic finish shows fingerprints easily, not ideal for extra large meals. Ninja Fubi Dual Zone Air Fryer. Its pros are Dual baskets allow cooking two foods at once. High wattage for faster, even cooking. Smart control panel with multiple cooking modes. Its cons are: takes up a lot of counter space. Higher price tag compared to single basket models. Instant Pot Dual Crisp. Its pros are: multifunctional, air fryer, pressure cooker, slow cooker, etc. Saves space by replacing multiple appliances. Delivers great crisping results. Its cons are: steel air fryer basket is harder to clean. Small air frying capacity compared to standalone air fryers. Breville Smart Oven Air. Its pros are: more than just an air fryer, works as a full oven. Premium stainless steel design. Large cooking capacity, great for families. Its cons are: takes longer to crisp food compared to pod-style air fryers. Expensive. It is one of the priciest options on this list. Cosori Light 4-quart air fryer. Its pros are: affordable yet feature-packed. Preheats faster than most air fryers. Sleek, compact design with app integration. Its cons are: not as powerful as the Ninja models. Slight fan noise at high settings. Now that we've broken down the pros and cons, let's talk price and value, because getting the best bang for your buck matters. Now let's talk about value for money. Ninja 4-quart air fryer. At around $69, it delivers incredible performance at a budget price. Ninja Dual Zone. At around $178, it is definitely worth it for large families, though it is expensive. Instant Pot Dual Crisp. At around $134, it is a solid deal for a multifunctional appliance. Breville Smart Oven Air. At around $350, it is clearly the most expensive, but great for those needing an oven replacement. Cosori Light 4-quart. At around $90, it is quite affordable, yet feature-packed. The best value is delivered by the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Low price, high performance. So which air fryer should you get? Here's our final verdict. Best for crispy food and power. Ninja 4-quart air fryer. Best for large families. Ninja Dual Zone. Best for multifunctionality. Instant Pot Dual Crisp. Best for a premium, versatile appliance. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Best budget-friendly and compact pick. Cosori Light 4-quart. We feel that the overall winner is the Ninja 4-quart air fryer. It's powerful, easy to use, and delivers the best crispy food for the price. If you're just getting started with air frying, this is your best bet. Which air fryer do you think is the best? Drop a comment below and let us know. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one.